Creating and sticking to a budget can be a great way to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Here are some steps you can follow to create and stick to a budget. Determine your income. Start by calculating your total monthly income from all sources. List your expenses. Make a list of all your monthly expenses, including fixed expenses like rent, insurance, as well as variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Set priorities. Decide which expenses are most important to you and allocate your income accordingly. Make a plan. Create a budget plan that reflects your priorities and ensures that your essential expenses are covered. Track your spending. Keep track of your spending to ensure that you're sticking to your budget. Review and adjust. Review your budget regularly to make sure it's working for you. Adjust your budget as necessary to accommodate changes in your income or expenses. Stay motivated. Sticking to a budget can be challenging, but it's important to stay motivated and focused on your financial goals. By following these steps and making a commitment to stick to your budget, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals.